Coming back to the next topic, that is array inside object. Before we start this, let us understand array. An array is nothing but it's an object type designed for storing data collections. In simple words, you can say we use this array to store data collections in it. Now coming back to our point, which is array inside object. It is nothing but it's an object property which stores an array as its value. Let's create one example to understand it better. So I'll write const object name equals to. So here I'll create one object in the name of object name, and inside this object I'll create one array. I'll write key name, which will be the name of our array. Key name. After this we are using this square brackets. We always use square brackets whenever we are dealing with the arrays. Inside this square bracket, I'll write item 1, then I'll write item 2, and the last item 3. These are my 3 arrays, which is item 1, 2, 3. So, this is how this array inside object works. First we create one object, and inside this object we have this array. Let's create one more example. I'll simply remove this. I'll create one more example. I'll write const person equals to, and inside this object I'll write name. We'll call it as Ram. Then inside this we'll create hobbies, but in arrays. So I'll write hobbies equals to, as I said before, whenever we use this array we use this square brackets. Here I'll use the square brackets, and inside this I'll write the hobbies, which is drawing. Then I'll write coding. Then one more I'll write traveling. These are the 3 hobbies. So if I want to access this person's name, all I'll do is I'll simply write console.log, and inside this I'll write person.name. Whenever we write this person.name, we'll get the result as Ram. So I'll inspect this and I'll refresh here. We'll go to console. You can see we got the output as Ram. Suppose in case I want to access the hobbies, I'll simply write person.hobbies. Then you can see here, once I refresh, we'll get all the 3 hobbies, which is the drawing, coding and traveling. Suppose if I want to access only one value, all I'll do is I'll simply use square brackets, and inside that I'll write 0. 0 will be our first value. Just wait. If I refresh this, I'll get drawing, which is the first value. Suppose if I change it into 1, then what we'll get is, we'll get this coding. This is how this actually works. Whenever we write this person.hobbies, it gives us the array, and when we mention the value, it will give us the value. Like if I write person.hobbies and inside the square bracket if I write 0, we can access the first value of the array. This is how this array inside object works. Suppose if I change it into 2, all I'll get is the traveling. If you like this video, please do subscribe my channel and click on the bell icon for the further notifications.